This video is going to be interesting because I have cracked down something that is working at this real time. So I always suggest my viewers that you always use the strategy that is working in real time. You test it in your demo account firstly and then start to use it in your real account at that real time so that you can make good amount of profit. So in this strategy, I am not going to make any edits to this video. I am going to make trades of $100 each. So watch this video very carefully because this is going to be highly informative and you can also start to use it right after watching this video. And if you want to copy my trades automatically into your Pocket Option account by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the first comment below and the description below. There will be some instructions that you need to follow and you can easily start to copy my trades automatically into your Pocket Option account. Now, first thing you need to do is you need to make all of this currency pair figured by making these stars yellow, or put all of these in your up top and then click on these candles and select S5 as your candles time frame. So that means each of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Similarly, if it is flag at here, make it clock and select S5 as your trading time frame. Now expiration time is also of 5 seconds. Now decide the amount that you want to invest in each trade. So now simply go to this currency pair. The strategy is very simple. Wherever the market is going, just make the trade in the opposite direction. So here you can see there are lots of green candles. That's why I made a trade by clicking on lower at here. Okay, you need to go opposite of the trend. Okay, so similarly, let's go here. All the candles are red and timer have hit 1 second. That's why I made a trade by clicking on higher and we made profit. Two trades are already in profit. So similarly, let's click on here red candles. Okay, so the timer haven't hit 1 second. So now timer have hit 1 second and we made a trade by clicking on higher at here. So thought were results of profit. So actually this I have cracked down because I have made some test in the demo account and I have seen that this exact strategy is working at this real time. Okay, that's why I'm making a video and trying to show you. So you can also test several strategies by creating yourself or watching different YouTube videos and test it in your demo account and then only use it in your real account. Now let's switch to another currency pair and wherever the market is going. So here you can see I don't see any clear trend here, so I'll ignore this kind of currency pair. So here you can see market is totally going down. Okay, so whenever the timer hits 1 second, I'll make trade in the opposite direction and that will be in above, and we made profit in this trade also. So let's find, so totally we have made 4 trades and almost all trades are profitable. So market is going above, so I'll make trade by clicking on lower, but let's see what happens. Yes, we made profit in trades, 5 trades profit in a row. Okay, so let's switch to another currency pair. Now whenever I make one trade less in this kind of condition, I'll stop that trading for that day. And here you can see market has been going above, but my net is a little bit slow at here, so I'll switch to another currency pair to show you. Here you can see clearly market is going down, so I'm going to make trade by clicking on higher in the opposite direction. And in this trade we have made loss, so 5 trade in profit, 1 trade in loss. So now we are going to stop trading for today. If you like this video, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. And if you want to copy my trades automatically into your Pocket Option account, then do join my free Telegram channel so that you can get my social trading ID and start to copy my trades. So this was for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.